Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Jamaican Insider. We have an interesting video for you today, so relax and enjoy. So we're taking it to the east today, and we're in the parish of St. Thomas. So a little information about St. Thomas. It is located to the east of St. Andrew and the south of Portland. It is also famous for being the hometown of Paul Bogle, one of Jamaica's national heroes who led the slave rebellion in 1865. Other famous Jamaicans from St. Thomas include Judith Cuthbert, a former athlete, Tony and Singh, the current Miss World, and Popcorn, a recording artist. The water to the right, that's actually the Caribbean Sea. Yes, St. Thomas is located right above the Caribbean Sea. Welcome to Lyssons Beach. This is one of the main attractions here in the parish of St. Thomas. So yes, Jamaican Insider here once again. Right now I'm with... Introduce yourself, gentlemen.
Yeah, my name is Omar. My name is Ramin.
Alright, yeah. And your dance name is?
Jamaica Les Twins.
Right. These dancers are from St. Thomas. So people, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know if you're enjoying the dancing. So the aim of Jamaican Insider is to highlight Jamaican talent. So if you would like to know the contact details of these gentlemen, let me know. Now it's time for some food. Now I'm gonna have some kung soup and jerk chicken. Very Jamaican. Now it's about to get really exciting. Let me know which one is your favorite. Write the number in the comment section below. And remember, don't try this at home. So viewers and subscribers, let me know which is your favorite. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Comment in the comment section below. Yes, my people, so right now we're at the Sunning Hill River, aka Unruly River. You may want to know, why is it called Unruly River? Well, Popcorn, the so-called unruly boss, is from St. Thomas, and he comes to this river often. So that's how it came about. Roast breadfruit, anyone? Yeah, man, time for some roast breadfruit. No, I won't be having any. I just had some jerk chicken just now. So we have a full video on roasted breadfruit. So just click the link in the description and you can find it. Yes, my people, thank you so much for hanging with us today. Really appreciate it. Leave us a like, comment, and share with a friend or two. Until next time, take care.